Hi, I'm Bryn, Digital Advisor for TPAS Cymru, and I've got an app recommendation for you today. Have you ever been in your garden or out for a walk and you've seen an interesting creature that you've never, or a plant or something that you've never seen before in your life? You want to know what it is, but before you know it, it runs away or flies or something. So you don't know what to do. So I've got a way to stop that. If you download the app iNaturalist, all you got to do is take a picture of it, and the app will identify it all for you. If the picture's too blurry or it doesn't know what it is, it'll give you its best recommendation. Then you click on the recommendation. Then here you see loads of options like the date you found it, where you found it, was it captive, and then you get to press the share button and it's uploaded. And then the worldwide community of iNaturalist can see your post, they can like it, comment on it and suggest their ID, so what their phone thinks it is. And also if you go on the browse mode, you can you can go around the world and check what other people have been finding. So yeah, it's a very nice way just to see nature around the world, I guess. And so yeah, so it's called iNaturalist and it's available on all platforms, Apple or Android. And yeah, so go check it out, I guess.